Hi, my name is Oleg. I'm CEO at if.team, and today I'm happy to show you main features, the most important features of our product, if.team. And from the beginning, we are focused on projects. We are trying to solve the most important issues connected with projects. And on this screen, you can see entire list of projects of your company. And now I'm showing you dashboard of exact project. On this screen, on this dashboard, you can work with members of this project. You can set project manager. You can download and upload files for this project. And it's on the one hand, and on the other hand, you can work with finances of this project, with project economy. All projects could work on fixed price basis and time to material basis. So on this part, you can see total project costs, paid billed sum from client, project profitability, budget utilization, and other important figures about this project. And you can see you can work with burn rates of this project. Transactions could be connected to any project. It's payments from the client and its expenses connected to this project. These transactions could be paid or unpaid, and this transaction could be divided to different categories to analyze costs and to analyze project finally. Any project could be divided to iterations, and you can see financial figures of all project and of entire project and financial figures of some iteration. And finally, you can work with tasks. So we have our own task manager, and on the screen, in any task, you can see all you need to work this with task. I mean, you can set project manager responsibilities, members, deadlines, planned hours, fact hours, priorities, status of this task. You can work with subtask, comments, and so on. Obviously, any member of your team can track time. We have some ways to track this time. I mean, you can track this time in the task this way, and you can track time in the easiest way in workload screen. So any employer could just set hours for him or her tasks and send this hours as a report. Obviously, any employee has own rate history. It could be hourly rate or monthly rate, and these figures are used to calculate costs of our projects and to calculate company finances also. You can work with task using a list, using Gantt chart of maybe some department, Gantt chart of any project, and so on. And you can use Kanban for it. Also, for any task you need, you can use reports. Reports for project, for employee, for department, maybe for some months or some period. So a lot of reports that you can use on the screen. Also, we give chance to work with company finances, and on the screen in this part of our service you can use cash flow chart and P&L chart and P&L classic table. So all transactions that you have in your system are using to calculate the screens, to use cash flow, to use P&L, and so on. Also, in our system, we are working with salaries, so you can use salaries processing, and you can make payrolls for any employee. So you can calculate salary, calculate vacations, calculate sick leaves, and all the things. And finally, you can track these payrolls. You can pay it or not pay it, and so on. Obviously, we give our customers opportunity to work with team. I mean, team members list, team structure, and so on. One more feature that I would like to mention it's workload scheduling. So on the screen, firstly, you can plan vacations, you can plan business trips, you can accept vacations or request vacations. Also on the screen, you can track workload of any employee to understand hours utilization and to understand how much work any employer has. Also, one more important part of our system, of our product, it's CRM part. So on this screen, you can work with leads. You can move leads from one status to another status, and finally, if this lead is success, you can move it to project. So you can convert a lead to project and work with this client, work with this company, work with this customer as a project. Also, in our system, could work with admin panel and work with all these settings. The system is flexible, so you can adapt it to your business, to your workflow. A lot of settings. I don't want to waste your time and discuss all the features. One more important functionality that I want to mention, it's roles. So you can set any amount of roles for your company, and you can set up any role for any employee or department or so on. As you can see, it's very flexible. So you can adapt these roles to your business, to your organizational structure, and so on. Of course, in our system we have notifications and comments and system notifications, and also you can integrate these notifications with Google Calendar, with Telegram, also with Telegram bot. Also, we are working on assistance based on Gemini. In nearest future, you will be able to work with the help of this bot, with the help of this assistant, to make tasks, to get some information, to get any information actually, to make reports, to make projects, and any functions in the system could be done by this assistant. And also this assistant will help you to make forecasts, to understand problems, to find these problems, and all the things. So it's the main parts of our system. I don't want to waste your time anymore, and I'm grateful for your attention for our service, and I would be happy to answer any questions connected with it. Thank you.